Booty. Hey, Angel. And there she goes. That's disgusting. Oh, big ass tree.
Yeah, when you hear the whistle, you love it.
Which direction are we going? I don't think she caught on. We're all sick going on a hike today. Well, oh, that's cool. Oh, it's really cool. It looks little though, and Kai's a fatty.
No, he said he's got. This guy was. Oh, camera.
Hey!
You're getting eaten by crocodiles.
You're gonna get ticks. That too.
I don't like this.
Can't believe she went so far. Yeah, I ain't carrying his ass.
Are you ready?
I'm too sore. Shouldn't have done that at the gym. Hi, cutie. I like. Whoa, shit! I almost fell. Amory. Got Snapchat. Got to record. Technology.
You ready, son? You ready to go on daddy's back? Let's do this, kid.
Careful. Don't do it like that. Oh my gosh, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Gosh. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Come on, Mama.
Ready? We're ready. Sit.
Tiana's having difficulties. Are you stuck?
We're posing.
Oh, you taking a picture? Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, one. Emery. Okay. Hey, geez. You gotta stay on that.
Just like the carrier, though.
Alright, here we go. See how we do. It's the first time we're bringing her on a hike.
I went a hike on the mountains in LA.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Oh, Mr. Speaker.
Yeah, you had him on there. God, I feel like crap. Oh, my
Alright, there's two ways. That's the short way, it's the scenic, through the trees. And then there's the second way, which is what you see, and then it goes up the hill.
so freaking pretty. It just
So
looks
we close or we
like a motherfucking monster. Anna's got a ladybug. She's going up. Good job. Good job, Miha. Bigger kid tapped out for a moment. Look at God, excuse you. Check her out.
From 4 free offers. Norwegian Cruise Line. Feel free.
Guess I'm going too. Oh, ah! Scrape my knee. Yeah. I can't believe we started.
One arm, but not
It's fine.
strapped in.
Too clumsy for this. To the top. Some Stitch. Some Lilo and Stitch. Kai's so tired, we're almost done. Too bad we didn't clock the time. I know. This is why I need a Fitbit. Yeah, pretty good. We didn't stop too much. Holy shit. This one is gnarly. Look at that. We went down there. Oh. Yeah, right? Good job.
As much as you want.
Look at Kai, excuse me. Good girl, oh my god. We've been giving her water the whole trail. This just makes it look like we haven't been giving her water. That's cool. Too bad it doesn't work. They got a puppy bowl and a faucet, but it didn't work. Damn. Yeah, you're making me sleep real bad.
Water too. Yeah.
Gaga! He's like, Gaga.
I'm missing you. No.
Guy's face. Hi, say.
I'm missing you.
Look at his face. Look at his eyes.
Hi, Sharon.
Alan, being the nosy guy he is, literally just parked us in a gas station in front of like 4 cops arresting and interrogating some guy. We're like in center stage. Like literally, if you guys can see, I know there's one, and then there's 2 next to me and 1 behind us. Like seriously, if there was a shootout, we'd get shot. Just because he's nosy, he had to literally put us in front of the gas station. It's like 3-4 cops. Look, there he is right there. Looking nosy ass. Right? And he's like totally staring too, like no shame. Nosy ass. Did you ask?
No, I wanted to. They were
You're so nosy.
one at the top.
And you're not even gonna get gas. So nosy. Yet he calls women nosy. Men are just as nosy as women. Or if not more.
There's like a thumb.
We're gonna take Kai through his first car wash.
Yay!
I'm really sorry that I've been talking with my voice like this. You ready? Emery. What is she doing? Emery. What is she doing? Tiana, what?
She's trying to get the crackers that you dropped.
That's so funny.
It's like,
Hey,
what?
puppies.
What?
Anyways, we went to Target and then Ulta. And now we're back near our town. But we're stopping to get a car wash. I don't feel as sick as I sound. But we're gonna go home, take showers, and literally lay on the couch and watch Disney movies or movies. So
Emery?
it's been a long day. It's like almost 6 o'clock, and we got to the hike. We left at like 11:42 from the house. No, like 10:32, 10:42.
No,
We left.
We left at 3:42.
So yeah, no, we did not leave at 3:32. We left the house at like 10:30, 10:42.
No, I said the hike. We used to,
Oh.
like, remember when I was like, what time is it? It was like
Yeah.
3:42.
So
Oh, I can't speak.
we're literally just gonna chill for the rest of the day. We're so tired. I can't wait to take a shower.
Look at Emery.
What is she doing?
She was like this. She was like backing up to me.
Look out, Tiana. Look out. Look out, Tiana.
Are we moving backwards? I'm joking.
Kai jumped so hard
When?
when that thing banged us over. My baby.
Sharon.
You know you can die if you leave the window open?
You know, it's so.
Oh, wow.
Open the window. Just kidding.
No. So.
Kai, say good morning. You got a new tablet? Is that your new tablet?
She's not pressing buttons.
He's not. He's watching the movie. He's watching Good Dinosaur. Hi, done. Can you say thank you? Got a new tablet, huh? It's like the perfect size for him, too. It's not too heavy. Yeah, right? With Tiana's iPad, it's so heavy for him.